Starting off the demo here, we've gone over our loyalty program. Everything from there onwards in this navigation bar is part of our marketing suite. Our segments here are going to be dynamic to the actual sales behavior of customers. It updates in real time. Standard recency, frequency, monetary value type parameters are defining these sales segments. You don't have to refresh these. Your customer data is constantly being refreshed into these segments. For each segment, we can click on summary and view some really cool analytics about what's going on with this segment. So we can see the zip codes where they're from. We can see the age breakdown. We can even see the top category and leading brands. This is great for targeting reach out campaigns to this exact segment. So if we've got a new strain of flower from a particular brand that is leading in this segment, we can reach out to this exact segment and say, hey, we just got this new strain and we think that you would love it. And they probably will. And you're likely to have a better ROI on that campaign. Furthermore, you can customize these segments, name it whatever you want, adjust the count of folks in that. We can filter down to a brand. We can filter down to a category. As we update those different parameters, we can refresh that segment count. We're going to get the latest on the customer data there. We can actually look through the customers that are in that segment and see who's opted into what. We have our own sort of default segments here with the Flowhub. I believe we also have the custom segments. If you haven't sent the loyalty pass invites to folks right off the bat, you can just send those loyalty pass invites to an entire segment. They're going to get a really cool email that looks like this. Activate loyalty pass, one click, they're downloading that into their wallet application and they're ready to receive notifications. When it comes to the create campaign thing, usually what we're doing is we're coming over here. I've got a draft one set up that we can click into edit. All right, we can name that. We can attach a discount code. We can have a segment 2 or 3. Here we can see that we have a cannabis-friendly push notification system. You don't have to be vague. You don't have to send a link. No sketchy links. Who's clicking on those anyways these days? We can mention weed. We can inject their loyalty points if you want. So we could say something like, you have X number of loyalty points. Come in and get a great deal. Use them today. All right, cool. So there's a character limit on that, of course. All right. And then email, we can send an email as well, include the promo code as well. This is going to track ROI. So if we click into this one here, this particular campaign did actually generate some sales for us. Awesome. And we can see those here. Those sales in this case, there's no promo code on this particular campaign. So this one is being attributed by those customers coming in after this campaign and making a purchase. We can also see that push notification was sent to 5 customers and all 100% of them received that notification. So that's a huge benefit to this. Not only can you say whatever you want, but those notifications are turned on by default there. Unlike an application, those push notifications are going to go right to their home screen and they're going to come shop with you. Your segments will be ever evolving to the sales behavior of your customers. You can come in here and modify them at any time. However, you don't have to even touch these. You can set and forget your segments and go on your merry way marketing to those folks as their sales behavior informs what segment they're pushed into.